Handcraft Handloom Export Corporation of India, High Court. What is the nature of grant received by a subsidy company from its holding company to recoup the losses incurred after the year to enable them to meet its liability, capital or revenue? So the company incurred loss. So they received grant from their holding company. It is a subsidiary company. So they received grant. The grant is not a central government grant. So this company is an Handcraft Handloom Corporation India is an government company. To cope up their losses, government is giving grant to make its operations effectively. So whether the grant received to pay off the debts, yeah, they pay off the debts they receive, no, to be considered as a loan or a grant or revenue. You'll see, the High Court observed that all these years it was the case of 100% holding company coming to rescue the subsidiary, which require the nature of subsidies to be decided on the basis of which the subsidy is given. High Court held that the grant given by the holding company in the case in the nature of capital receipt since the purpose is to secure and protect the capital investment made in the subsidiary company. So in what the high court is deciding is, so the company is what, the company is subsidiary of an subsidiary the holding company is a government company. A subsidiary company, they made an investment. To protect the investment, they receive grant. My ideology is rather than providing grant, this Handcraft Handlooms Export Corporation of India would have gone for a right issue. Yeah, they would have gone for a right issue. Through the right issue, they would have got the money from the government. Such a way, the government holding will increase. At the same time, money received through share application money, they can use for anything. So that money they use to pay off the expenses and cope up the losses. That is a good way. Other than the grant, that would be a very good way of doing it. Right issue. But they have not gone through that way. Rather than the government is giving money. So in this case, the holding company is the government of India. So the grant is given by the government to cover the losses. Actually, it is a revenue receipt. Actually, it's a revenue receipt. But the High Court has said that it is to secure and protect the capital investment made to subsidy company. So it is a miscellaneous cases. It has been considered as capital receipt.